In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Grammarly account. Now, sometimes we find ourselves wanting to clean up our digital footprints, or maybe you're just not using Grammarly as much as you used to. Whatever the reason, if you've decided that it's time to say goodbye to your Grammarly account, I'm here to help guide you through the process step by step. To start, you'll want to navigate to your Grammarly homepage. This is the main screen you see after logging into your account, where you typically start your writing or visit to check your recent documents. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left part of your screen. You'll notice a menu there. Look for the section labeled Account. Go ahead and click on it. Clicking on Account will open up a new view with various account settings and options. This is where you'll be able to manage your subscriptions, update personal information, and more importantly, find the option to delete your account. Now, scroll down through your account settings until you see Delete Account. The option might not be immediately at the top, so make sure to scroll all the way down to ensure you see all the available options. When you find Delete Account, you're going to click on it. At this point, Grammarly will likely ask for confirmation. This is designed to ensure that you're intentionally choosing to delete your account, and also to give you a chance to reconsider if it was clicked by mistake. If you're sure about moving forward, you'll now want to click on Yes, Continue with Account Deletion to confirm your decision. And with that, your journey for deleting your Grammarly account is complete. Remember that final confirmation? That's Grammarly ensuring that you absolutely want to go through with this. So if any uncertainty lingers, you have the opportunity to back out before confirming. But by clicking on Yes, Continue with Account Deletion, you've sealed the deal. Your account will be deleted, and you will no longer have access to it. A quick tip: before you go ahead with the deletion, make sure that you have saved any important documents or information that you might need in the future. Deleting your account means you won't be able to retrieve any data associated with it anymore. And there you go. That's how you delete your Grammarly account. Remember, steps like these are meant to be simple and hassle-free, providing you full control over your digital presence. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your online tools. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.